Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how can we set our face lock setting in our Redmi phone device. Guys, you want to set your face lock, so guys you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set face lock in our Redmi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to set your face lock. Guys, phone setting, then guys scroll it. Guys, click on password and security, tap here. Let's click on face lock, add face data. So as you can see, set a screen lock before recording face data. So as pattern, pin and password guys, you can choose yourself. So guys, we will go with pattern, and guys we will draw any pattern, and guys don't forget your pattern. So example for guys, we will take this Z, again confirm, guys wait, start, next. Then guys, now I am going to pause video guys. Show first of all guys, show your face. So then after show face guys, it will set automatic guys. You can see added successfully face one, and guys turn option. And guys, you want to add face, so guys you can add from here. So guys, now let's see. So you can see guys, you have this face lock. So when you will show your face, so you can open your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set face lock in our Redmi phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.